In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Pay. If you want a fast, simple way to move crypto between Binance users without dealing with long wallet addresses or network fees, this will walk you through exactly what to do. Before we start, make sure a few basics are in place. You'll need a Binance account that has completed identity verification, often called KYC, and you should have a crypto balance available to send, such as USDT or BTC. If you're missing any of these, take a moment to get them set, then come back to follow along. Open the Binance app on your phone and look for the Pay option on the home screen. It's your gateway to sending and receiving instantly inside the Binance ecosystem. Tap Pay to enter the Binance Pay interface. To send crypto, tap Send. You can identify the recipient in a few convenient ways, by their email, their phone number, or their Binance ID, also known as UID. Type in the recipient's details carefully. Take a second to double-check what you've entered before moving on, as sending to the wrong account can't be reversed. When the recipient comes up, choose the crypto you want to send, pick the asset from your balance, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the summary. You should see that it's an internal transfer with no network fees, and the delivery is instant between Binance users. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction, and the funds will arrive right away on the recipient's side. To receive crypto with Binance Pay, tap Receive. You'll see a QR code that's linked to your Binance account. You can hold this up for the sender to scan in person, or you can share your details directly. If the other person prefers not to scan, share your email, phone number, or UID so they can find you inside Binance Pay. Then wait for the payment to land. It will typically be instant if it's sent through Binance Pay. A few key tips to keep your transfers smooth and secure. You don't need a traditional wallet address for Binance Pay, which reduces the chance of copying or pasting a long address incorrectly. Internal transfers are designed to be fast, so payments generally arrive right away. There are no network fees for these internal Binance Pay transfers. Most importantly, always double-check the receiver's details before you hit confirm. Make sure the email, phone number, or UID is exactly right, and review any displayed name or profile you see so your crypto goes to the intended person every time. That's it. Simple, quick, and secure. Now you know how to send and receive using Binance Pay with confidence.